Hello to anyone watching this video right now. This video on board is a exponential function from indices in mathematics, right? I am solving this mathematics for the math students, engineering students, those that are writing WAEC and JAMB, and the math lovers, right? Now, the math on board says that 2 times 4 raised to power x plus 3 equals to 6 raised to power x divided by 8 raised to power 1 minus x. Now, we will solve this question on board by finding the value of x. All we are doing here is just to find the value of x. Now, let's continue. Now we have 2 here, okay? So from our understanding now, we need to change everything to base 2, since it is possible to change 4 to base 2, 16 to base 2, and 8 to base 2. So we will change everything to base 2 to enable us to continue our solving at ease, okay? Now, 4 means 2 times 2, right? 4 means 2 times 2. And the 2 times 2 is equal to 2 raised to power 2. Therefore, 2 times 2 is 2 raised to power 2. That means we never change anything. We still have 4 here in another form, okay? In bracket, the already power that is here, which is x plus 3. Equals to 16. 16 means 2 times 2, 4, times 2, 8, times 2, 16. How many 2's? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 2 raised to power 4 is the same thing as 16. 2 raised to power 4 is the same thing as 16, okay? Therefore, x is already there as power. We now fix it. Divide by 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 into 3 is 2 raised to power 3, which will give us 8. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. So 2 raised to power 3 will give us 8. Then we still fix the already power there, which is 1 minus x. Now we have succeeded in converting everything to base 2. Now we now apply the law of indices, okay? 2 times 2. This is 2 raised to power 1, even though we don't write 1 here. But it's still the same thing like this. Then the law of indices say 2 times 2, we collect one of the base, which is 2, and add the powers. 2 raised to power 1 times 2 raised to power 2 in bracket x plus 3. We now take one of the base, and add the powers. So now we take one of the base, which is 2, and add the power, that is 1 plus 2 in bracket x plus 3, okay, equals to. We do this when it is multiplication. Now coming to this place now, it is division, okay, not multiplication again. From the law of indices, according to division, we have the same base here, which is 2. We now collect 1 and subtract the powers. We now collect one of the base and subtract the powers. We will now say 4x minus 3 in bracket x minus 1, which is now 4x minus 3 in bracket 1 minus x, okay? Now continuing. Now since we have succeeded in getting 2 raised to power 1 plus 2 in bracket x plus 3 equals to 2 raised to power 4x minus 3 in bracket 1 minus x. We now, since we have the same base here, which is 2, and also have that base, which is also this side, we now have the right to collect the powers and leave the base, since they are the same. Since they are the same, we now collect the powers. 1 plus 2 in bracket x plus 3 equals to 4x minus 3 in bracket 1 minus x. We now collect this to continue our solving and leave the base. That is the right thing to be done, okay? Follow it that way. Now, we now open bracket. 1 is already here plus 2 times x by opening the bracket. We now have 2x plus 2 times 6 is 2 times 3 is 6 equals to 4x. We now open bracket here by saying minus 3 times 1 is minus 3. Then minus times minus is plus. Then 3 times x is 3x. Okay? Now continuing our solving, we now collect like terms. Let us collect like terms. All the letters that have alphabet, let them come one side. And the alphabet without letters, let them go this side. Now we already have 2x here. Now let us bring 4x to this side. When it crosses the sign of equality, the sign will change to minus 4x. This one, the same thing. When it crosses the sign of equality, it will change also minus 3x equals to, we have minus 3 already here, minus 3. Then 6 will pass there, it will now be minus 6. And the 1 here will still go, crossing the sign of equality, it will change to minus 1. Let us subtract and add. We have minus 4x minus 3x. We have 2x here. We now add this minus together. Minus 4x minus 3x will give us minus 7x equals to minus 3 minus 6 will give us minus 9. We still add the minus 1 again, will give us minus 10. Okay, now 2x minus 7x will now give us minus 5x equals to minus 10. Making x subject of formula now, we divide both sides by minus 5. So that minus 5 here, cancel minus 5 here, remaining only x equals to minus here, cancel minus here. Now remain 10 over 5, which is 10 divided by 5 is 2. Answer. So, dear friends, this is how to solve this, okay? Please make sure you subscribe on my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook to make sure you follow me on Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter to make sure you get more interesting questions that will help you in your course. Thank you so much and God bless.